Team, eyes on me. Safety briefing. Robots are powering up. Check the meat. Checking this diameter.
This goes to rejected.
Paint color set to midnight blue. Battery size confirmed is R.
Software package is Autonomous Driving Pro.
Left side frame alignment verified. Center floor pan is in spec. Right side confirmed. Lock it in. Scan complete. Tolerances are within spec. Green light. Harness routed, module secured, clips next. Connectors installed, assembly complete. Applying adhesive bead now. Bead looks good. Door aligned, gaps are perfect. Coolant fill and leak test, software flashing and sensor calibration, rolling road test, brake and alignment checks, final detailing,